One of the most common ways to control the AERO.one is by contact closure, or GPI. There are 4 GPI inputs available on the unit, and in an AERO.one DTV, these can control things such as preset recall, or most commonly, it's used to turn on upmixing. So setting up GPI is simple. The contact closure is applied through a rear panel DB9 connector, and that contact closure is then directly mapped into the GPI section. So going to the setup and down to I/O, GPI control. In order to set these, it has to be disabled. If it's enabled, changes are not allowed. So let's start with it disabled, and GPI 1, 2, 3, and 4 are right there, one after the next. GPI 1 is right now set for upmix off/on. And what that means is the non-contact closure state versus the contact closed. So the idea is that the GPI will be pulled to ground to initiate the function. So in this case, if you ground GPI 1, it will turn upmixing on. And you can see once GPI is enabled, and you go back down, there's a flashing lowercase g that lets you know that GPI is enabled and you can't make any changes to that selection. So again, 4 GPIs available. Adjust them and then enable GPI, and then you can control your AERO.one DTV by simple contact closure. The alternate to this is, especially for upmixing, you can choose to use the auto mode. That doesn't necessarily have to be signaled by a contact closure, although sometimes it's useful.